Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you why this Craftsman pressure washer is not starting, and it's because there was fuel left in it from the year before. So we're going to take the carburetor apart and clean that. First thing we're going to do is take this screw out. Once that's unthreaded, go ahead and lift this cover, pull it back, then up, and remove that. Remove the air filter also. And then we're going to get in here and remove these two 8mm bolts. Okay, once you unthread this second 5/16 bolt, go ahead and remove that, the air filter housing. You can leave it connected if you want, or you can disconnect the hose. Just remember that you have a gasket back here and you don't want to lose it. Okay, the next step is this has a fuel shut off, so you want to make sure that's in the off position. Then you can get a pair of clamps and pull this up, and then you can disconnect the hose here. One thing I like to do, because this is barbed, I like to use a flathead screwdriver. Just kind of work your way around it and pull as you're prying with it, and it'll come up. So next we're going to take these two T-screws out. Now that these are broken loose and ready to come out, just remember there are gaskets behind here, and you want to make sure they go in the right spot. It's a good idea to have a rag down, because there's going to be a little fuel that dumps out. Same when you take the bottom of the bowl off, there's going to be a little fuel left in there. Once I pull this out, I'm going to disconnect the throttle linkage back here, and there's two wires, one big one and then one small one right underneath it. You'll just disconnect those. Okay, it might be hard to get on camera and try to do it at the same time, but the little link there, out it is. And then it's going to be hard to do with the camera, but you just kind of tilt this around and disconnect this bigger wire then. Okay, now that it's disconnected, we're going to get, I'm not sure what size this is, but we're going to take this bolt off and get inside the float bowl, clean out the jet, clean this out, because that's what the problem is. Okay, when you're removing this, you want to make sure that you don't lose this gasket on the bottom. And as you can see, right there where that hole is, it's obstructed, so fuel's not getting through there. You can look down in here, and it's all dark. You should be able to see light through there, and that's just the bottom. We're going to take the jet out too and inspect that. Now we'll go ahead and take the bowl off. Look inside, look how fouled up, how dirty and gummed up that is. So that's going to need cleaned out. And the jet won't be able to take that out, so we'll just blow it with carb cleaner and reassemble. Okay, now you should be able to see right through it. And I'll put the tube on here and spray through this side here. Clean this jet out here. And then put it down through here and clean that out. So we got the bowl cleaned out, carburetor, and the jet. So we're ready to reassemble. We're going to put the float bowl in with the pin down first. Sits over there, goes down through the hole. There we go. Slide this pin back in. Okay, like that. I'm going to put the gasket seal around. Sits around on the edge. Float bowl back on. Take our bolt and then tighten that back. And the boys are waiting on this, so I'm not going to shoot any more video. I'm going to reassemble everything and then show you the startup. And there you have it, folks. Woo! Alright, another job well done. Got it fixed. Thanks for watching. See you next time from Neighborhood Go-To Guy.